Stick around because the setup at the end is the part most people are missing. Let me start with the simple version of what Symphony actually does. Symphony is a free update from OpenAI that lets you stack tools together so your AI agent can do more in one go. Before this, if you wanted your agent to do something complex, you had to glue a bunch of stuff together yourself. You'd hit walls. The agent would forget steps, would do half the job and stop. Symphony fixes that by giving you a clean way to chain tools, skills, and workflows so the agent stays on track from start to finish. Think of it like this. Before Symphony, your AI agent was like a new worker on day one, smart but lost. You had to hold their hand through every step. With Symphony, it's like that same worker now has a checklist, a manager, and a folder of instructions sitting right next to them. They don't need you to babysit them. Just get the job done. Now, here's why this matters right now. A lot of people building with AI agents have been hitting the same wall. The agent is smart enough to do the task, but it can't keep track of a long job. Loses focus. It forgets what step it's on. It runs one tool, then doesn't know how to use the next one. Symphony was built to fix that exact problem. And the best part is it's free. You don't need a special plan. You don't need to pay extra. You just turn it on and start using it. I've been testing it for the past few days and I want to share the setup I'm using because it's working really well. My setup has 3 parts. First is Playwright CLI. Second is a boot skill. Third is a workflow file. Let me break each one down in plain English so you can copy it. Playwright CLI is the part that lets your agent open a web browser and click around like a real person. So if you want your agent to log into a site, fill out a form, grab some info, or click through a few pages, Playwright handles that. It's the eyes and hands of your agent on the web. Without it, your agent is stuck just reading text. With it, your agent can actually go do stuff online. Boot skill is the part that tells your agent how to start every job. Think of it as the first page of a manual. When your agent kicks off a task, the boot skill loads up first. It tells the agent the rules, the tools it has, and how to begin. This is huge because it stops the agent from going off track in the first 30 seconds. Most agent failures happen at the start. The agent gets confused, picks the wrong tool, and the whole thing falls apart. Boot skill keeps that from happening. Then you have the workflow file. This is the playbook. It's a simple file that lists out the steps the agent should follow. Step 1, do this. Step 2, check that. Step 3, move on. The workflow file is what keeps your agent moving forward in a long job. It's the difference between an agent that finishes the work and one that quits halfway through. When you put all 3 together, you get an agent that knows how to start, knows what tools it has, knows the steps to follow, and can actually go out on the web and do the work. That's the setup. 3 pieces, free to use, and it works. If you want help setting this exact thing up for your own business, this is where I want to point you to the AI Profit Boardroom.